Oh, I wonder who that is. Blooming hell, they seem eager. Hang on, hang on!
Alright mate, got a special delivery for Mr. Rob Brennan. Does he live here?
He does, yeah? You look a bit familiar.
What are you talking about?
It's you in it, Mark.
What? My name's Pat, can't you read?
Pat?
Yeah.
Pat?
Yeah.
Postman Pat?
Well...
Where's your black and white cat then?
Oh, Jessie's in the van round there, isn't it, mate? Oh, you've rumbled, mate, yeah.
I have.
Oh,
You best come in. It's blooming freezing out there.
Well, I have got a special delivery, though.
You have?
From Time Tunnel Models.
Cool.
Yeah, mate.
So... Woohoo! It's come! This is for me 60th old fart birthday. So, let's get on unpacking, dude.
Yay!
Hello, it's Rob here and welcome to another unboxing. Slight difference though. Got Mark on the camera as usual.
Yeah, it's not. It's Pat, mate.
Sorry, yeah, got Postman Pat on the camera. And today is my 60th birthday.
You old fart!
Yeah, so that's official now. I can officially call myself an old fart and or a pensioner because my pension started. Woohoo! I'm getting some money in.
He's bloody reaching out.
I wish. So, to celebrate, I bought myself a present. And I'm out of puff now just from talking.
It's because you're an old git officially, dude.
That's it.
Come on, let's get it out, son.
I'm going to whip it out.
I want to see what it is.
See what we've got.
See what you bought yourself.
Yeah.
Do it, dude.
Let's get there then, son.
I'm recording now.
Coolio. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got coming.
Well, it's already come, isn't it, Rob?
Yeah, I know. it's the old...
Is it upside down? It's upside down!
No.
Oh no! It's an upside down Hotsht.
Yeah, it's an Australian one.
It's no good, that isn't, Rob. I'd send that back if I were you.
Cut!
Oh wow, look at that. It's a good, a proper one now.
It's a hot shot. Ooh.
Yeah, it's a shot hot.
Yeah.
I like them.
There we go.
In fact, I think you should have bought it me, Rob. What are you doing? Buying it for yourself? Well, it's my birthday soon. Can I have it?
Oh, I don't know.
I'll be catching you up when in
will.
September though. Oh,
Yeah, I know,
ages
long
to
time
wait.
to wait,
I know,
dude.
6 months, dude.
And I'm going to
Yes,
not be able to, I'm just going to have to build it now.
yes, he's loads older than me. Haha, 6 months. Come on then, let's show these people what you get in an Hotsht box.
Right. I'm trying.
Ooh,
It's
I
coming.
love the box art.
That's very nice. Unfortunately, I'm not going to go box art.
What? It's the law, Rob.
I don't really like red.
Can't see you. Oh, there you are.
I don't really like the colour red.
Oh, that's a bit funny, isn't it?
It
I do.
is.
Right. Oh,
Never liked
it's a
red.
box. Get rid of that other box as well, Rob. Come on, magic of YouTube.
3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Yeah, wow. That was cool.
Oh, forgot the time tunnel bit.
Oh, thanks,
There
Neil.
you go, Neil.
Good lad.
Thank you very much, mate. If you watch this, if you don't, thank you very much anyway. So, well, slightly different.
It's upside down again. What's
Box
going
is
on, Rob?
upside down. That's Tamiya, that is.
No, it's
me.
not. It's Neil. He's had the lid off. He's done it on
Yeah.
purpose, just to muck your video up.
Yeah, he has. He knew what was coming.
Well,
Well, it's a fairly big and fairly heavy box.
it's got all your metally bits in there, ain't it? You
Yeah.
opening that first?
Why not?
All right then. You're going to have to cut loads of this, Rob, because you're faffing about.
I know.
It's because you're old.
Yeah, it's because I'm an old
Because
fart.
you're 60, ain't it?
Yeah.
I'm going to keep reminding everyone. You're old, guys. Proper pensioner.
Yeah. And, you know, I'm 60, you know.
Get it out to get it out of your box.
Ooh, not wibbly wobbly.
Oh, that's no good, is it?
I didn't think.
It's a very rigid one.
I didn't think this version come with them handles. I never noticed them on the Dubry Firkin pictures and stuff. Yeah, so loads of stuff.
That's
We've
weird
got
having them in the
A-arms.
parts box, isn't it?
Yeah. And some lovely...
Fibre bits.
Yeah, I think
they're
that is
the
carbon fibre, isn't it? Or is it just reinforced plastic?
I think it's
Carbon
plastic. And aluminium bits for the roof, innit?
Yeah.
I think, yeah.
And torsion bars, maybe.
Two.
Another bars.
Anti-roll bars, aren't they?
Yes, that's the word. And, oh, wow, fishing net.
Oh, fish nets. Kinky. It's a kinky hot shot.
Yeah, more probable A-arms.
Yeah.
Parts bags A. B, lots of screws. C. D.
D-bag. Not T-bag. D-bag.
D-bagging.
It's not
And then
Peter.
other metal bits, including...
Keep moving around. Rob,
Sorry.
I can't follow you. Go on.
Is that the shock? Is that a shock body? I didn't think they were aluminium.
Don't know.
Is that the fake heat sink?
Don't know. I don't know, Rob.
We will find out
Should
when
have
we
read
build
up on
it.
it when you
I
ordered
should have.
it.
Oh,
A few bearings.
yeah. I didn't read that. I thought it's got bushings.
Yeah, some. Well, I think you will have some bushings.
Because I ordered the bearings because it
Huh?
was on offer, you know. It was an option
You've got
from
the-
Time Tunnel. But yeah, I think that's just for the gearbox, isn't it? Those
Yeah.
ones, and these are for the wheels and replacing the brass bearings, bushings, and lots of sprockets, cogs, dooblies and
Plastic
13
gears.
gears. That's the word I was looking for.
Come on, hurry up.
Yeah, stuff,
Faffing about.
ball joints and stuff.
Joints, we all like balls.
We do like balls, and
Very small.
quite a nice small body for spraying.
Compact and bijou.
Yes,
The wing.
and the wing, all to cut out,
Yeah, get a move on.
and a chassis.
Everyone's fell asleep now,
I
Rob.
have, I know. One chassis stuck together.
Chassis.
Oh, I hope I don't have to glue it.
God.
Oh, decals, quite small, thank God. Yeah, only one sheet. Wheels,
Four of.
4 of, yes, 2 front, 2 rears. Lots of plastic bits. This looks like it's the roll cage.
Roll the cage.
More plastic bits. Different gearbox.
Gearboxes.
Red plastic bits. Steering. Knuckles. And other stuff and tyres, duty things and things. Wow.
That's a big bumper.
That is a big bumper, that is.
Aye, it's
Aye.
got Tamiya written on it and all.
Aye,
Look at that.
cut out as well, look.
Yeah, one's back to front.
Yeah.
What's going on there?
Weird.
It's a reflection, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Opposite.
And a driver.
Ooh,
Woohoo!
painty.
Yes. And the servo
Servo
saver.
saver.
And last but not least,
Oh, it's the birthday sniff. I can feel it coming. It's got to be done, Rob.
it has got to be done.
Just dig the nose in that plastic bag. Oh, he's trying to end it all, look, because he's six. Don't suck too hard, Rob. Was it nice?
Very, very nice.
They're like proper old
rubber.
school rubber, isn't it?
It is.
Oh, he's doing it again, guys.
Oh dear.
Pack it in, dude. You're too old for that now.
What are they? I can't read it.
They're super grippers, aren't they?
Super Gripper
They're always super grippers.
Racing R.
Oh,
R.
racing R.
Ooh,
So we
ah.
say in Birmingham. They're racing, eh? They are. They are.
They are R.
Oh.
Well, that's roughly about it. We've
He's,
got
he's emptied his box.
I have. We've got the usual manual, and strangely enough, we've got one shock at the front
We have.
going horizontal across the chassis. But then, if you can see there, dude, we've got one shock.
Oh, but I can see down here. Look, even
Oh
better.
yeah, that's better.
There you go.
Yeah. One shock going front to back for the
Ooh.
rear.
What's going on?
Yeah.
It's coolio.
So that's about it, I think, mate.
I think that's your lot.
Yeah.
That was a quick. Oh, you did get a speed on there, didn't you?
I tried
In
to.
your old age.
Yeah.
I'm not going on about you being old too much again, am I?
No. Right. Yeah. Okay. Oh.
Stock silver can. You missed that.
Tamiya stock silver can. Yeah, I missed that. I was in my blind spot. That was
Oh
me.
no.
And some more steering knuckles. Oh, well, there we go.
There you
Lots
go.
of stuff.
Lots of stuff.
So,
Bits and bobs.
With that,
He's knackered now. Just unboxing.
just talking too fast. So, with that, I hope you enjoyed watching and look forward to seeing you on the build series. Cheers. Bye.
See ya.
Oh, hello.
All right, mates. Got a special for delivery for. I'm getting him fiddling about, like he's fiddling about with his chair.
Trying to get rid of the chair so I can stand a bit through the back.
Get on then.